Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I created this really pretty orange eye look for you today. So I'm taking my beauty blender, I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm just putting it on my eyelids. I'm just going to blend that in gently, and you just want to make sure that you get it along the entire eyelid. And then I'm going to go in with this light orangey shade, and I'm just going to put this on my lids as well, just dabbing that on from my Tarte Amazonian Clay palette. And then I'm going in with this burnt orange shade. I'm just going to put that right in my crease like so. I kind of messed up a bit, but blending will help solve the issue. And then I'm going to take my Morphe M504 brush, and I'm just going to blend that in. And you can see my birdie sitting right there looking all happy. Then I'm just going to go in with my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Tea Party. I'm just going to dab that onto my lids as well. I'm just giving it a very slight shimmer. Just dabbing that on gently. Then I'm just going to blend that in just so it all looks nice together. And I'm taking this black shade from my Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette. And I'm just gonna create some black liner on my lids. I'm not creating a wing, just some black liner. And I'm taking my concealer again, and I'm putting that under my eyes. I usually like to add concealer after I put eye makeup on, if I know there could be a lot of fallout, but I don't do it all the time. Now I'm just gonna blend that in. I love blending in concealer. It's just a really cool feeling. And then I'm just gonna add that onto my chin and the bridge of my nose, and along the inner area of my cheeks. And I'm just gonna blend that in, just to highlight my face. Gotta give my bird a kiss, of course. And I'm taking this cream colored shade, and I'm just gonna be adding that right under my eyebrows. I'm just gonna blend that in, just so you don't see a rough edge along my eyeshadow in the cream colored shade. Taking that burnt orange color, and I'm just adding that onto my lower lash line. I'm taking my NARS white gel liner, and I'm just adding that onto my bottom waterline, just to brighten up my eyes a bit. I really love the effect that light eyeliner has on the bottom waterline. I'm taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just applying that to my lashes. And then I'm taking the blush and bronzer palette, and I will list all the products below. And I'm just adding the blush, and then I'm taking my Wet n Wild bronzer, and I'm just going to be applying that to my cheeks. And yes, as I was saying, all the products will be listed in the description box below. You can see my bird staring at me. She's so cute. Just applying this bronzer to my cheekbones and my jawline, and then I'm going in with this Tarte lip paint color. I'm applying this to my lips. It's like a creamy nude shade. And after this, guys, I am completely finished. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more tutorials such as this. Bye, guys!